Hello, everyone. I welcome you again in this next session of today's day, session number 4B. This is fourth B session. Let's begin. In this session, we are going to understand, unlike to our previous session, जिसमें हमने क्या देखा था कि there are rational numbers between the on the number line, rational number presenting rational number on the number line. So that we have seen in the previous video. In this video, we are going to check rational numbers between any two rational numbers. अरे ये क्या बात बन गई? Rational numbers between rational numbers. Not understanding, confused, isn't it? We are going to clear this all doubt now in this session. Let's begin. Interesting, again interesting. So that's what I said. Today's day is very interesting. All interesting concept we are going to understand. Anyway, let's understand what exactly I'm talking about. First of all, I hope you understood and liked the previous part, that is presenting the rational numbers on the number line. Okay, if you haven't yet practiced that, no use of working or no use of watching this video. So I request everyone to stop this video right now, complete the previous part, and then come back to this video again. Okay, so I'll be waiting in sense, if you pause me, I'm going to wait, isn't it? So pause me right now, go for that, complete it, and then come back to this video. Till then, I'll continue with this video. Rational numbers between any two rational numbers means what? Imagine if I want to write numbers between 5 and 10. How many numbers I have between 5 and 10, isn't it? I can take 5, 4. नहीं कुछ तो गलत जा रहा है ना? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are the numbers between 5 and 10. बराबर? How many numbers are there between 5 and 8? 5 and 8 के बीच में कितने numbers हैं? तो 5, 6, 7 and यहाँ पे 8. तो 2 numbers है ना? How many numbers are there between 5 and 7? तो आप बोलोगे एक ही है, 6. So again I am asking, how many numbers are between 5 and 6? है ना? Now your confusion is, are there any numbers between 5 and 6? Do you really think there are numbers between 5 and 6? है या नहीं है? है. There are numbers between 5 and 6. तो चेक करते हैं exactly कौन से हैं वो numbers. What are those numbers between 5 and 6? I know that you have got a kind of a scale with you. ऐसे कुछ तो scale रहता है ना? ऐसे कुछ तो यहाँ पे लोगो भी गो रहता है, right? Now, or there you must have got 5 somewhere here, and next to it 6 somewhere here, isn't it? इसके बीच में ऐसे एक बड़ी वाली लाइन होती है, then छोटे छोटे ऐसे 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ऐसा होता है. This is your scale. Don't you think this is 5 and 6, right? What is this number? First one, उसके बाद वाला is 5.1, then 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. Don't you think these are also numbers only? Right? So don't you think there are numbers between 5 and 6? And how many these numbers are? You may be saying 10, isn't it? Because 10 or maybe 9, isn't it? 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, blah blah blah, 5.9, and then 6. Right? This is what you're saying. So maybe 9 numbers you're saying. Okay? There are 9 numbers between 5 and 6. Let me tell you, there are infinite numbers between any two numbers. Any two number if I take. Any two number if I take, there are infinitely many numbers. Okay, so would you like to understand that? Let us see what is that. What exactly I'm talking about. Understand it. So if I take any two rational numbers, I will get infinitely many. I'll go for 5 and 6 only. Okay, let's take 5 and 6. You know that for a fraction, it is 5 upon 1 and this is 6 upon 1. 6 upon 1, है ना? You know that for a fraction, if I multiply the numerator and denominator by same number, it won't change its value. है ना? You know that. So if I multiply this by 10 and this by 10, And same here, isn't it? I'm going to get these numbers as 50 upon 10 and 60 upon 10, right? Now, in between 50 and 60, there are so many numbers, isn't it? So I can write 50 upon 10, 51 upon 10, 52 upon 10, 53 upon 10, so on, 59 upon 10 and 60 upon 10. Right है ना, बराबर है ना? 50 upon 10 is what? It is 5. And 60 upon 10 is what? It is 6. So isn't it between 5 and 6? These are the numbers, maybe 1 to 9, so 9 numbers. I think the same thing we have done, isn't it? In the scale, जो हमने scale draw किया था, we have done the same thing. Isn't it 51 upon 10 is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 है ना, ये वही है. Good, good. So I got 9 numbers, है ना. थोड़ा सा अभी इसको और difficult करते हैं. Instead of multiplying by 10, what if I multiply by 100? इसको मैंने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, right? So if I multiply by 100, what do I get? It will be 500 upon 100, and this is going to be 600 upon 100. So how many numbers are there between 500 and 600 now? Check कर लो. Are they 99 numbers? Isn't it? If I multiply the same number by 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, don't you think I will be having 999 numbers between these two? And if I go on increasing zeros, isn't it? As many as zeros I will increase here, right? And those many numbers I'll find in between. So again I ask you the question, okay, how many numbers are there between 5 and 6? There are infinite. There are infinite numbers between 5 and 6. Isn't it? It is interesting. Yes, very good. So now in this topic we are actually going to understand to find out few of these infinite numbers. Okay. So let's see what is the question. The question says that find numbers between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. Okay, so how many numbers? Okay, that I'll make it. Find 3 numbers between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. Okay, so what I have to do? Step number 1, write the numbers 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 here. Then check whether its denominator is same. Step number 2, check whether its denominator is same. Fortunately, it is same. Now what to do? Increase the range by multiplying by some 10 or 5, whatever number you want to multiply, you can multiply. But to multiply, normally I suggest to multiply by 10 because it becomes easy to multiply and it takes less time. This implies 10 by 20 and 30 by 20. The same number, 1 by 2 is 10 by 20, multiplying by 10 and 30 by 20. Now check, are there any numbers between 10 and 30? There are so many numbers. Out of that, how many I need? 3. So write those 3 numbers. Any 3 numbers you can write. 10 by 20 and then 11 by 20, 12 by 20, 13 by 20 and bas ho gaya na, 30 by 20. That's it. These are my numbers. Is that it? Now write everything in the simplest form. 10 by 20 is 1 by 2. 11 by 20 can be written the same way. 12 by 20 is 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 13 by 20 and here 3 by 2. So therefore these are the numbers between the given numbers. Clear? This is how you have to solve the question. But what if denominators are not same? ओके, तब क्या करोगे? लेट अस चेक व्हाट कैन वी डू. Find the three numbers between 2/3 and 1/2. इसके बीच में अगर मुझे नंबर चाहिए तो मैं कैसे फाइंड करूँगा? लेट अस चेक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. फाइन, तो चेक करते हैं. 2/3 instead of 3/2, it is 2/3. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द ट्रू नंबर्स 2/3 and 1/2. Check whether its denominators are same. Are they? I don't think so. Then make it same. सिंपल बात है ना, मेक इट सेम. सेम कैसे करते हैं? एलसीएम ऑफ 3, 2 कितना होता है एलसीएम? एलसीएम का मतलब क्या होता है? सेम टेबल में एक कॉमन नंबर होना चाहिए. दोनों के टेबल में एक कॉमन नंबर होना चाहिए. 3 के भी टेबल में हो या एंड 2 के टेबल में भी हो. सो फाइंड आउट अ नंबर विच इज देयर इन 3's टेबल एज वेल एज 2's टेबल. इट इज 6, है ना, फर्स्ट नंबर. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर नंबर्स बट फर्स्ट नंबर इज 6. So if I multiply this by 2 and if I multiply this by 3, isn't it I'm getting the same numbers as 4/6 and 3/6? Right? Now I need to write numbers between 4/6 and 3/6. But surely it is impossible to find the numbers right now because 4 and 3 के बीच में numbers ही नहीं है. Now what to do? The same numbers can be written as multiplying by 10, 40/60 and 30/60. Now can we write numbers between this? Isn't it? So 40/60. अभी ये साइन तो काम नहीं करेगा बिकॉज 40 इज ग्रेटर. तो कौन सा साइन काम करेगा? ये वाला 30 के बीच में चाहिए ना. तो 40 के पहले वाला नंबर 39/60, है ना. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो विच इज ग्रेटर विच इज स्मॉलर, राइट. 38/60, 37/60. That's it. And here is 30/60. Is that clear? So now you can convert or reduce to simplest form. What is 40/60? You can directly write 2/3, है ना, because वही तो reduce होके increase होके यहाँ पे आया हुआ है ना. Is greater than 39/60. It is divisible by 3, I think. Reduce form में तो convert करना पड़ेगा. 3 1 3, 3 3 9, 13/20. Right? This also divisible by 2. So 19/30. 37 तो ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर ही है. तो 30/60 can be written as directly 1/2. And here are my numbers which are in between the given numbers. That's it. Okay, if denominators are not same then also you understood how to do it. Clear? Got it? Let's check the exercise now. Fine. क्या पूछता है exercise? Write 5 rational numbers between और अरे smaller than 2. ये कैसे करना है? Smaller than 2 कुछ नहीं रे. Write 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 करो. 1 and 2 के बीच में होंगे तो smaller than ही होंगे ना 1 से 2 से, right? Getting it? Or else what you can do is, और interesting way अगर चाहिए, इससे भी easy way चाहिए, what you can write 2 as 2 is equals to 2/1, which can be equal to 20/10. Write numbers less than 20/10. So what are numbers less than 20/10? 19/10, 18/10, है ना, 17/10, 16/10, 15/10. So these are the numbers. Write in the simplest form. Don't write in this manner. Write in the simplest form. Reduce it to simplest form. And these are the numbers. You can do in this way. Okay. So these are the numbers less than 2. Finished. Got it. Next one. What is next one? Find 10 rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. चलो देखते हैं. I'll just help you in this. This is the last question I'm helping you. Okay. After this you will be completing yourself. चलो देखते हैं. -2/5 and 1/2. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? डिनोमिनेटर्स को सेम करना है. चलो वर्क ऑन इट. 5 and 2 का एलसीएम ऑफ 5, 2. तो 5 and 2 के टेबल में एक कॉमन नंबर कौन सा है? 10 है. 5 2 10, 2 5 10. तो इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो और इसको 5 से करो. सो व्हाट डू आई गेट, -4/10 एंड यहाँ पे आएगा 5/10, बराबर है। अभी -4/10 कितने चाहिए मुझे नंबर्स इसमें, 10 रैशनल नंबर चाहिए, 10 तो बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए, कोई बात नहीं, जितने चाहिए उतने मेरे पास, इन्फाइनाइट नंबर्स होते हैं नॉर्मली। तो माइनस इसको ये इम्प्लाइज करके हम लोग लिख सकते हैं -40/10 एंड यहाँ पे आएगा -40/100 एंड यहाँ पे आएगा 50/100, बराबर बात है ना, इज इट करेक्ट। ना व्हाट कैन आई डू, -40/100 इज अ स्मॉलर नंबर, तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा साइन। इसके नेक्स्ट वाला नंबर -40 के नेक्स्ट वाला, तो कुछ भी लिख सकते हो यार आप लोग, कुछ भी का मतलब रियली कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो -39/100, थोड़ा हैंडराइटिंग खराब आ गया, -38/100, -37/100, जितने हो सके उतने आप लोग को निकाल सकते हो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। जीरो भी तो होता है इसके बीच में, ओके, बिकॉज ये पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव नंबर्स के बीच में जीरो होता ही है, राइट, जीरो, सो 1/100, 2/100, अरे बहुत सारे नंबर्स है भाई, बहुत सारे हैं, जितने चाहिए उतने लेके आ सकते हो, राइट। सो मैं तो ये भी बोलता हूँ कि ये भी ज़रूरत नहीं थी। इनफैक्ट आप लोगों को अगर इनकेस इफ़ यू गेट नंबर्स बिटवीन डायरेक्टली -4/10 देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ पॉसिबल, है ना। -4/10 के बीच में नंबर्स कितने देख लेते हैं हम लोग, -3/10, -2/10, -1/10, 0, है ना, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10 एंड हियर इज 5/10। ओके, तो कितने हो गए रे भाई, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ही हो गए। ओके, देर आर नो नंबर्स, यू हैव टू गो फॉर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 10, अदरवाइज इट इज़ ओनली 8 नंबर्स, है ना, जो हमने पहले किया था वही करेक्ट है मेथड, करेक्ट। I was just checking whether without multiplying is it possible, but it is not. You have to multiply and increase the range of the numbers. Got it? Clear? So it's not a big deal. Hope you understand. It is simple. And let me tell you, all the questions are of the same category. Check कर दो, find 5 rational numbers. यहाँ पे तो 10 पूछे, यहाँ पे तो 5 पूछे. Find 5 rational numbers greater than -2, जैसे ये किया था, smaller than वहाँ पे greater than करना है, ठीक है, ये आ गया. Same 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Can you do it? So that's it. Your topic is finished. Exercise number 1.2 is finished. That means your topic is finished. Okay. So what to do next, that we'll discuss tomorrow. Right now, complete the exercise. That is, complete the topic. The topic is done. Okay. So nice. I'm really very happy that you all are completing the topic. I want you all to send me both. That means presentation of number on the number line, rational numbers on the number line, and number between the numbers. Okay, rational numbers between the rational numbers. That means exercise number 1.2 completely you have to send same way like how exercise number 1 you sent me, same way 2 also you have to send me. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be sending the solutions of this, not today because it is too late. So tomorrow I'll be sending you the solution of these two. Till then, keep your solutions ready. Fine. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.